What's the meaning of amplify? Amplify. 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 Amplify.
The term amplify refers to the process of increasing the magnitude, intensity, or volume of something. This can be achieved through various means, such as using an amplifier to boost audio signals or applying digital filters to enhance images. The result of amplification is a stronger or more prominent output signal that is easier to detect, perceive, or measure. In practical applications, amplification can improve the efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness of communication, sensing, and signal processing systems, as well as provide a more immersive and engaging experience for users of multimedia content.